Hey guys, it's Kem. My real name is Kemba, in case you're curious. Hey guys, it's Kem. My real name is Kemba, in case you're curious. Hey guys, it's Kem. My real name is Kemba, in case you're curious. Thank you for joining me for another video, and if you're new, welcome. I have a curl kit. I think this is my final one, because I got the confirmation like March 2019 is your final curl kit. So I think this is my last one, but boy, did they set it off with this one. Let me get into it. She tried to set it off with this. I got a whole, first of all, let me just show you. The box rip. It's too thick. It's too thick in here. It's too much. So I'm gonna just start. So it's like a whole line. I think the company is called Nature's Protein, and this is their coconut restore line. So this is the cream conditioner cleanser, which is 13 fluid ounces. Okay, that's a lot. And then they have oh, and this has coconut oil, shea butter, and babasu oil. This is the triple butter curl moisture cream, and it has mango butter, shea butter, and cocoa butter. Oh, and these are sulfate and paraben and artificial dye free, no petroleum, no mineral oil. Then they sent me two of these little guys, the texture and volume spray. I guess you just kind of like use this after you take your hair out and then you spray it. I'm not really sure. I'll figure it out, I guess. Yeah, I have no idea. But I'll figure it out. And then they have a mousse, which I'm getting into mousses because they dry so much faster. Like, it's amazing. It's amazing how fast this mousse dries. If y'all like my hair and you wanted to found out about it, check my latest video. But yeah, I use the mousse for this. That's all I'm gonna tell y'all. Go watch the video if you're curious. Yeah, so I'm super excited about this. Hopefully it's like a mousse. I really didn't like the texture of the green collection mousse. I didn't like it. It was too runny, so hopefully this is like a mousse. I'm not gonna pump it out because I know where to put it. And then I have the Moisture and Shine Mist. I think this is like the final thing, like after you take your twists out, after you take your rods out, after you take anything out, then you spray this, and it's like the extra shine that you add to your hair. And then they also gave me 2 coconut oil samples and 2 leave-in conditioner samples. So like I got a line, like I got a full line. They were like, oh, you canceling us? Well, look what we got for you. And I'm like, dang. Cause like the first curl kit I got was like the whole Cream of Nature coconut oil line or whatever it's called. That like orange line that they had, the orange and white line. So I was like, oh, bet this ready to be lit. And then, you know, some things happened. Some words were exchanged, but I want to apologize to Curl Kit because y'all came through. Y'all really came through. This is it right here. This is my $25 that I was expecting to be getting this whole time. So I do appreciate y'all. I may be doing business with y'all in the future. I'm pretty sure this is my last curl kit. So thank you for watching me open this in my bittersweet moment. I'm glad it ended with a bang though, you know. Hopefully these products actually work. Ooh. So they had like multiple things to choose from, and this is what I got, because there's a whole bunch of stuff in this line. They have a shampoo conditioner, they have the thing that I showed you, the cleansing conditioner, they have a leave-in, a jelly, coconut oil, a repair mask. Like, geez. They got everything you could possibly need, plus all these sprays that I got. Like, y'all, check them out. I will be doing a video on them soon, so stay tuned for that. And thank you guys so much for watching this full video. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.